the quiet and stillness inside and out. The sound of the earth is not something we can hear, it's something we feel. And all we hear is a stillness, practically nothing at all. If there's nothing too much going on in our head, that is. The stillness we hear inside is the same as the earth outside, because there is no inside or outside, really, just energy. So we can experience the love from any angle as we walk down a forest trail, soak in the sun on a hot summer day, or just be with friends. This kind of sound, love really, is described in Matthew 18:20. For when 2 or 3 are gathered in my name, there am I in the midst of them. This is the frequency of the sound we broadcast at all times. It feels like this. But the sound we might hear, if we're very quiet, is the sound of having all those we love right beside us, because they are with us all the time.